How about an art attack to tickle the taste buds? And look at this fab art attack from Jade. This mouth-watering 3D cardboard sculpture of her favourite meal is good enough to eat. Yeah, what a great art attack, Jade. Hey, and all that food has given me a fantastic idea for a really individual art attack. How'd you fancy some egg and beans on toast? No, I haven't gone mad. Oh, there you go, toasted to perfection. Now, when it's cooled down, that's all right, just cover one side completely in PVA glue. And it's a bit like just spreading on some butter. Just slop it on. You cover the whole of one side, and when it's done, just leave it to dry. It may take a while, and then just flip it over and do exactly the same on the other side. And here's one that's completely dry, and when it's dry, you'll see it's gone nice and hard. And now you're ready for your toppings. So, just use a pen or pencil to draw your topping on first. And why not start with a fried egg? Do the white bit first. Round it goes. And then the yolk. And don't forget the shiny bit. Then add on some baked beans. And when you've done them all, paint it. Now, it's best to use acrylic paint for this, as it's nice and thick. And here's a good tip. If you haven't got any acrylic paint, just mix some poster paint and a bit of PVA glue, and it'll have the same effect. And when you're painting it, try to make the food look as realistic as possible. Do a nice orangey yellow yolk with a highlight, just to make it shine, and then do your beans. And when it's finished, you've got your egg and beans on toast. Great, isn't it? Try all sorts of toppings. How's about tomato and mushrooms on toast? Or even the full works. My sort of meal. And you know, you don't have to do foods. Toast makes a great canvas for all sorts of fantastic artwork. And I think the crust makes a real good frame for a picture. And it's a brilliant way of using up your stale bread. Try it yourself, painted toast. Oh, and don't forget, you can check out the website for fact sheets on this and all the other art attacks in the show. And I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!